Progressive Dynashocks, can't get any better than this. These are Progressive 970 series. Okay, now these you can adjust the tension if you like, you know, your preload. You can also adjust your compression. So you've got masses and masses of different options on these. Okay, fully tunable shocks. So as you can see here, you've got the remote reservoir, your damping under here, your compression here. And as you can see, beautifully made in the States. These are proper billet CNC, they're not your die cast crap you get from China. Okay, but Progressive suspension 970s are your top of the range in the Progressive range. Very, very cool shock, 971001. This is very popular for the diners. If you want your bike to handle like an Ohlins, literally these are Ohlins quality, but made in the States. So if you're interested, we have got one set of these babies on offer. Here's all your bushes for your Harleys. Very, very cool. We've also got a set for a Triumph, Thruxton or America. Give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.